Dark, dry, or pigmented lips can make your face look dull. But don't worry today. I'll share some simple and natural remedies that will help you get soft, pink, and healthy lips at home without chemicals or expensive products. Why lips become dark? There are many reasons lips lose their natural color. Excessive sun exposure, smoking, dehydration, lack of care, or even using low-quality lip products. With consistency and natural remedies, lips can regain their softness and natural pink tone. Honey and sugar scrub? Mix 1 teaspoon honey with ½ teaspoon sugar. Gently scrub your lips in circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes, then wash off. This removes dead skin and makes lips smooth instantly. Beetroot juice. Apply fresh beetroot juice on your lips before sleeping. It gives a natural pink tint and reduces pigmentation over time. Rose petals in milk. Soak rose petals in milk for 1 to 2 hours, then crush them to make a paste. Apply on your lips for 15 minutes and wash off. Rose adds natural pink color while milk moisturizes. Aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel on your lips daily. It hydrates deeply and heals dryness, giving lips a soft, natural glow. Daily care tips. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Always apply lip balm with SPF when going outside. Avoid licking your lips. It makes them drier. Use natural oils like coconut oil or almond oil at night for moisturization. So these were some easy and natural ways to get pink lips at home. Which remedy will you try first? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nomad Tales for more natural beauty and lifestyle tips.